Hello everybody, it's Cedric Lamar and today I'm about to show you guys how to stream with OBS. Let's get into it. The first thing you should do when you download OBS is make sure you can run it as administrator. Right click and it has run as administrator. If you can't do this, go to properties, go to advanced, click run as administrator and okay, continue. And now you can run it as an administrator. Right click, run as administrator, click yes. My screen went black, but I click yes. Now we have our OBS. From here, what you're going to do is go to tools, auto configuration wizard, optimize for streaming, because that's what we're going to be doing. Click next. 1920 by 1080p, FPS either 60 or 30, but preferred 60 whenever possible. Okay, click next, and right here you can add your Twitch account. You can auto connect it through here, or you can add your YouTube and you can connect to YouTube. You can add Facebook. You're going to need a stream key, and I don't know why you'd be streaming on Facebook. Shout out to Facebook though. And then that's that. Now we're going to go to the settings. So you're going to go up here to file, down to settings, and from here you're going to want to go to output, click advanced, and on here this video encoder should be NVIDIA H.264, and then once you go down from there, constant bitrate, or it might say CBR sometimes, but right here you want this to be 6,000. Now YouTube has a unlimited cap with this, but to be safe, keep it at 6,000. Now we're going to go down to keyframe intervals. You want that at 2. Preset, you want that at P5, slow, good quality. Tuning, high quality. Multipass mode, you want this at 2 passes, full resolution, so you can have high quality, a high quality stream. Profile, high. Look ahead, we're going to turn that off. I don't use it. You may be able to use it. Adaptive, we're going to keep that on. And B-frames, we're going to have that at 2. Now we're going to move over to our audio. Right here, you want this at 48. Then you want the channels at stereo. Now from here, you want to have your microphone. So we're going to click mic auxiliary audio. We're going to click here. Then we're going to go and find our microphone. I use the microphone find microphone. So we're going to click that. So we make sure that is enabled. Sometimes it'll have your webcam microphone picked up. You don't want to use that. And then we're going to hit apply. And now we're going to go to video. Right here, you want this at 1920 by 1080p, and then you want to up this to 1920 by 1080p, and you want to have this at 60 FPS. Now, if your internet is not that good, like 5 megabytes upload speeds, or 5 or 6 or 7, not 10, then that's when you bring this down to 720, and you bring this down to 720, and you bring this down to 30, because it's all about just getting yourself out there and starting to stream. It might not look great, but it still will look good on the phone, because most people watch streams on phones now, so it still will look good. So if you can't do 1080p, please do 720p 30. Just get out there and start streaming. Now from here, click apply and click OK. The next thing we're going to do is go over here to scenes. We already have a scene, but we're going to make a new one. Click plus. We can name it game, and then click OK. Then from that scene, we're going to go down here to sources. Click the plus right here on sources. Go up to display capture, and you can name that if you want. Click OK. Find your display, select it. Now you have your display. It looks wonky. Right click, and then find transform. Then click fit to screen. Now it is on the display. From there, what you're going to do is add your webcam. Click the plus button again, add a source, video capture device, and from here you can name it if you want. We're going to click OK. We're going to find our webcam, and as you can see, we have our webcam. We're going to click OK. Then we're going to bring that down, and here we go. It gets a little wonky sometimes, so there we go. Now, another trick, if you want this not to take up so much space, hold Alt, and you can bring it in like this. So you can have a much smaller box that doesn't take up all of the gameplay when you're playing the game. And I've just helped you become a streamer. If there's anything else you really want to know, just get in my comment section below, and I'll see you guys in another one. Peace.